Hey guys, Donald with ClickFlare here, and in this video I'll show you how to connect your ClickBank and NewsBreak account to the platform. And this is pretty straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Let's go to integrations, and let's go ahead first with ClickBank. Under the affiliate network, you want to add the integration, and all you need is the name of the integration. So for example, ClickBank, and you need an API key which you will generate it from the ClickBank account. So you need to go over here at integrations under API management, and you need to create a new API key. So I'll name this ClickFlare. And if you have multiple accounts here in ClickBank and you want to include that API key to every one of your accounts, you just simply toggle on this right here. But if you want to select a specific account, just check these boxes like so. Click Save, copy the API key and paste it here, and you're good to go. The other step is that ClickBank requires us some custom events that we need to add to ClickFlare in order to capture the revenue through API. Now, where do I find those events? We have this documentation right here, help.clickflare.io, and you can search for ClickBank. When you scroll down at the end, you'll see the custom events, the custom conversions that you need to add on the ClickFlare. So the way you do that is you go to settings right here, custom conversions, and you just click add. So for example, the first one is sale, and the parameter of the custom conversion should be exactly like this one. No spaces, no lower cases, exactly the same. Included in conversions and in revenue column, and you click save. Now, at the moment, I cannot do that because I already added these conversions, as you can see, like sale, refund, chargeback fee, etc., etc. And that's the way that you should do it too. Next up, we need to connect the NewsBreak cost integration. Go to integrations right here under cost tracking, add the integration. Let's give this a name, NewsBreak, and you need to grab an access token from your NewsBreak account. And the way that you do that is you go to the resources right here, API access tokens. If you have a brand new account on NewsBreak, you just simply click generate token. I already generated a bunch of those, so I'm not allowed to generate a new one anymore. So I'll just grab an existing one and paste it right here and match the time zone with the NewsBreak, Los Angeles. So I'll search for Los Angeles. Save. Save again. Perfect. The next step is we need to add the NewsBreak as a traffic source. We need to create an offer, which is going to be the ClickBank affiliate link. And we will create the campaign with those two elements together. So let's do that. Go to traffic sources. New, search for NewsBreak. Let's give this a name. Scroll down and you'll see the cost integration, and we need to connect it. If you're wondering how to pass conversions to your NewsBreak pixel, you do that by simply turning on this toggle right here. Select what event do you want to send from ClickFlare to your NewsBreak pixel. Let's say I want to send the sale event. And we need to grab this postback link from the NewsBreak account. The way that we do this is we go over here at event management. Make sure that if you have an existing conversion event, make sure to not duplicate it because NewsBreak won't update it. Okay, I already have a complete payment event. So when I create a new one, I will choose a different one, not this one. So let's create a new event. Select postback, search for ClickFlare. And here you have the conversion event that you want to select. As I said, make sure that you are not duplicating with the previous one that you have. Let me see, I have complete payment. Okay. what do I want to select? Okay, let's say that I want to initiate checkout and place an order, both of these, okay? And also I want to enter the value for every one of those conversions. I toggle this on. I copy the first link. Okay, this is the initiate checkout. Okay, for example, I want to add the chargeback. I want to send chargeback as the initiate checkout. Okay, let's paste this over here. And as an example, I want to send sale as the place an order event. Now, at the end of this postback, you'll see these three X's right here. You want to remove them and replace them with payout, like so. Do the same thing in the first one. Okay, cool. If you scroll down and you see this test URL here, this is for you to activate the NewsBreak pixel. And in order for us to activate it without waiting for the actual event to happen, I will switch these to visits for the moment and I will change them back later, so it makes sense. I'll save this one. Let's create the ClickBank offer. Okay, I need to select an affiliate network. If I don't have one, I can create a new one. I'll search for ClickBank. Let's name this ClickBank. Scroll down and select the payout currency and hit save. Let's say that this is my ClickBank URL, https://google.com. The most important thing that you need to do is always to append the click ID to the offer URL. After you have selected your affiliate network, entered your offer URL, make sure that you toggle this on like so. Let's scroll down, see if everything is okay. Cool. Save it. Let's create the campaign. Click New. Let's select the traffic source. Okay, NewsBreak test. And let's name this ClickBank NewsBreak 2025. Okay, leave everything as it is and click Next. Now, depending on your flow, you might have a lender offer flow, and in the path destination right here, you need to choose one, lenders and offers. But in my case, I am doing one offer only, and I will go with offers only. Let's select the ClickBank offer. Okay, save it, and ClickFlare will create this campaign tracking URL for me. I will copy this one and I will test it so I can activate my NewsBreak event. I'll hit go test. Okay, it redirected me to Google. And you'll see that both initiate checkout and place an order are activated. I'll save those one. So I'll name those just so I can remember that are from ClickFlare. Two events saved successfully. Okay, and you'll see both of them here. Now, in order to actually send a custom conversion that it makes sense, I will go back to the traffic source. I will edit, and I will switch them to the actual conversion. So, for example, for the initiate checkout, I don't know, maybe some sort of refund probably, or I don't know, chargeback, whatever it makes sense for you guys, you map it here. And as an example, for the event type place an order, maybe I will choose upsell. This is just an example. Click save, and you're good to go. The last crucial step is that Once you're done creating the campaign, copy this link and you are going to paste this on your NewsBreak ad URL. And you want to go to your ad management platform, go to the ads, and you want to paste this ClickFlare link to your ad URL. So scroll down, and where it says landing page URL is going to be the ClickFlare link, and you submit, and that's it. So practically you learned in this video how to connect your ClickBank account, NewsBreak account, activate the NewsBreak pixel, and also adding the ClickFlare link to your NewsBreak ad. Thanks for watching.